Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll create Python functions to print text slowly and clear the console. Just a note, this won't work in Jupyter. First, import the necessary modules, time to print text slowly, and OS to clear the screen. And now, let's create a function called print_slow to print text slowly. Text plus equals ensures the printed text moves to the next line after it's fully printed. For letter in text, iterates over each character in the text. Print letter and equals, flush equals true, prints one character at a time. End equals prevents the print function from adding a new line after each character, and flush equals true ensures the output is displayed immediately without waiting for the buffer to fill. Time, sleep 1, add 0.1 second delay between printing each character, creating the slow typing effect. Let's test this to see how it works. Let's test it by replacing the text with "My name is Humayun and I am 13 years old. This is my real age, not lying." You'll see it prints the message slowly. Now, let's move on to creating the function that clears the screen. Now, let's create a clear function to clear the screen based on your operating system. If os.name equals NT, this line checks if the operating system is Windows. In Python, os.name returns NT for Windows systems. OS system CLs. If the system is Windows, this command clears the console using CLs, which is the command for clearing the screen on Windows. Else, if the system is not Windows, it assumes you're using a Unix-like system such as Linux or Mac OS, where os.name returns POSIX. OS system clear for Unix-like systems, TH. Print slow, my name is Humayun and I am 13 years old child, prints the message slowly, one character at a time. Time, sleep 1, adds a 1 second delay to give time to read the printed message before clearing the screen. Clear clears the console screen based on the operating system. This setup ensures you can see the message before the screen is cleared. If you liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more.